Today, I take constructive action. It is only as I let go of the lesser that I can take hold of the greater. Only as I drop confusion that I can enter peace. Only as I transcend doubt and fear that I can lift it up to the hilltops of the inner life. I identify myself with the greatness of spirit and breathe in its almighty power. I allow my consciousness to rise to a broader and fuller realization of that divine presence that is always delivering itself to me. Believing that the divine mind is ever present, that divine intelligence is ever available, I open my consciousness to its guidance. I keep my mind steadfast and loyal to the thought that I am governed by this divine intelligence. I feel that I am impelled to make right decisions, that I am compelled to act upon these decisions intelligently, knowing that the power that is within me cannot desert me. Through the quiet contemplation of the omni-action of spirit, I looked quietly and calmly upon every false condition, seeing through it to the other side of the invisible reality that molds, conditions, and recreates all of my affairs after a divine pattern. With a penetrating spiritual vision, I now dissipate the obstruction, remove the obstacle, dissolve the wrong condition. Every thought of fear or limitation is removed from my consciousness. Today, I take constructive action, which leads me to health, happiness, and success.